The sound of the drums. Way in the distance, I can hear the sound of the drums. Amidst the drums are the voices of my great, great, great grandmothers calling her children to gather round, urging us to listen carefully to what she had to say. Cautiously, she began, if ever you should be separated, remember you have a name, and your name is Tukanika. The name belongs to your clan. And if you should forget that name, remember the sound of the drums. It's the sound of our heartbeat. It's the sound that will bring you home. For the sound of the drum never lies. Always listen for the sound of the drums. It's in the sound of your heartbeat. The heartbeat that connects you to your ancestors. Your ancestors who buried you alive to keep you safe from those who wanted to hurt you. The sound of the drum will be your friend. Listen, my children, for the sound of the drum.